Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to create a Google business profile. So guys, for this you just go back and well, for example, you can just open up a new tab and you just type in Google business like that and you will be taken into this section, into this website. Click on the first link, you'll be taken here, and in here guys we have the Start Now button. Click on it to begin. And now I'm just going to choose a different business because, as you can see, I already have one created. So let's start from scratch. And in here you type in your business name, for example, health service or something like this. Business category, health consultant. Next. So now the questions: do you want to add a location customers can visit? Well, for example, for this. For the purpose of this video, I will choose no. Next. So where do you serve your customers? You can just, well, for example, I will just type in New York. New York. Next. Now you type in your phone number in here, and if you have a website, you can just insert a link. All right, in here you can verify your mail-in address, for example, if you wish. If not, you can do this later. All right, now you just add your business hours. So let's say, for example, we have a 5-day working week. So we choose every day from Monday to Friday. You can also choose opens and closes at if you wish. All right, let me just choose one day for the purposes of this tutorial. So opens at, for example, 7 a.m. and closes at 5 p.m. like this. And next. You can add a description or skip it. And in here you can just add your photos for your business or skip it. Now you can choose from your PC. And at the end, as you can see, you can claim some advertising credit if you wish. It's going to be, the amount will of course depend on your location. And in here they offer you to get a custom domain. If you wish to buy one, you can start a trial. And as you can see, your edits will be visible once you're verified. Continue. All right, and as you can see guys, in here, now your Google business profile will be seen. So it will be available publicly when it's going to get verified. But that's pretty much how you do this. As you can see, now your business is set up. If this helps you out, guys, press like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.